Hello friends, welcome to Prodhat channel. In today's video, we will explain about the best 5 barbecue grills in India. Summer used to be fun with friends having fun together catching up for dinner or late brunch. But now that we are forced to stay in, we could still have some quality time with a close group of friends around 4 to 5 if you have your grill for the barbecue. Let's see a list of the best barbecue grills in India to save your time based upon the assembling time, coal, or gas. The following are the list of best 5 barbecue grills brands you should know if you are considering buying one. Let's dive into the best 5 barbecue grills in India. We heard you are looking for barbecue grills, and we came to your rescue to help you out with the best 5 barbecue grills to choose from after an extensive study and research of each of these. Let's see in detail what those are. The first and foremost product in the list is Prestige PPBW04 Barbecue Grill. The Prestige PPBW04 Barbecue Grill comes with detachable legs, and it comes with a wooden handle which you can hold onto with no heat transfer. Since it's a coal-based cooking, you can pretty much cook anything from cottage cheese, fish, steak, chicken grill, hamburgers, perfect for a barbecue brunch or an evening garden party. The following are the pros and cons of Prestige Barbecue Grill. Pros are: is it portable? Yes. Is it easy to assemble? Yes. It comes with a utilitarian rack which keeps your food warmer for a long time. You will not get your hands burnt with the wooden handles, which gives you enough space to hold it without any degree burn. Only few barbecue grills come with a warranty. Prestige offers 1-year warranty. Cons are: the coating of the vessel is non-ceramic, which eventually wears off over time. The following second product in our suggestion list is the HYTEC HYBB04 Briefcase Barbecue Grill with 8 skewers. Now this is made of heavy cast iron. The usage of cast iron box will not give away any harmful gas into the atmosphere once it starts getting hot. Also, the cast iron has the maximum tolerance. This barbecue grill comes with 8 skewers, so you can either punch your veggies or meat in the skewers and grill it as such on top of the rack. This is suitable for any type of veggies, meat, fish, prawns, etc. Pros are: the barbecue grill is portable. It comes in a briefcase box with a handle which you could carry anywhere. If not your backyard, then you can carry this to your camping. It comes with 8 skewers which has a wooden handle. It comes with foldable legs, easy to assemble and carry. Coal-based, superior coat finish which does not wear off easy. Utilitarian racks and durable grills. Removable and easy to clean. Cons are: it does not come with a warranty. The forthcoming product in the list is Dawn to Dusk Barbecue Mesh Charcoal Grill. The Dawn to Dusk Barbecue is a coal-based rectangular portable grill which you can carry around. There is no hassle of dealing with screws and nuts with this one since it's a very simple design. This is perfect for 4 to 5 people at one time. It comes with 3 skewers. Although if you do not need one, you can cook it at your own convenience. The base of the box has 3 blowholes, which is helpful to keep the charcoal hot. Let's see the pros and cons of this product. Pros are: the Dawn to Dusk Barbecue Grill comes with 3 blowholes in the base. It is compact, foldable legs, portable. It comes with 3 skewers with wooden handles. It also comes with an extra elevated grill on top, which gives space for coal to burn effectively. It comes in a rectangular suitcase, which is made of metal with a handle. It comes with a detachable grill and is easy to clean. Cons are: it does not have a warranty. The forthcoming product in the list is Weber Smokey Joe Premium Charcoal Grill. The Weber Smokey Joe Premium Grill is coal-based, which is compact. It is shaped like a UFO. It is perfect to carry on a camping trip, fishing, or to a park to spend the weekend in a cabin. It is ideal to make burgers. You can also grill fish, meat, steak, chicken, and it has an inbuilt ash catcher, so cleaning became simple. The following are the pros and cons of the Weber Smoky Grill. Pros are: it comes with a top lid which covers the whole barbecue grill, so the heat is circulated inside and hence cooking is done quickly. It has rust-proof aluminum vents for the air to pass through and out to avoid steaming. It comes with a detachable nylon handle which you can remove when it's not needed. The vent provides the perfect airflow and circulation to make the perfect barbecue. It comes with an inbuilt ash catcher. It comes with a 10-year warranty. Cons are: the price is on the expensive end. The forthcoming product in the list is Orbit Electric Barbecue Grill 2000W Tandoori Maker Model -7001. The Orbit Barbecue Grill is an electric model. It is designed primarily to be used for indoor cooking since it needs a power source. It has 4 PVC pegs to stay put on the kitchen slab. It is considered one of the best electric grills. You can also cook burger patties, grilled salmon, grilled sandwich, and many more since it comes with a top lid with facility to vent out air. Other pros and cons of the Orbit electric model are as follows. Pros are: it is an electric grill with a 2000 watts power and comes with auto shut-off safety feature. It comes with a 5-level adjustable temperature knob and a power indicator LED light. It is coal-free, harmful gas-free, no emission of polluted air into the atmosphere type of electric grill. It has an iron plate grill and has a non-stick steel grill. It has flexible height and a cool touch handle along with the whole box. The grill is easily detachable, so is the lid, hence cleaning is easy. Cons are: this cannot be used outdoors since it works on electricity. So it's strictly indoors or at places where there is a power supply. Yeah. We are reaching the end to the video. Our barbecue journey finally came to an end, and hence our dissected views about each of the best barbecue grills in India has come to a conclusion too. We have seen different types of barbecue grills with different size and metal types, with lids, with handles to carry around, coal-based, electric-based grills. They all come with a set of pros and cons of their own. If you got to choose one among these, then the only thing that would make a difference amongst these heaters is their price and warranty or the type of grills. You can choose whichever grill you want according to your necessity. All the above listed barbecue grills are manufactured and sold in India. These barbecue grills come in different sizes and work on electric or gas or coal-based. All you have to do is decide which suits your surroundings or where you are going to carry it around. Ultimately, these barbecue grills are a medium to prepare our food and have a good time together. What's more fun than having some quality time with family and friends? So what are you still waiting for? Did someone say they are planning to have a garden backyard party? Go purchase your barbecue grill and let's have a barbecue party.